So for this problem, to find the sum of the first 17 terms, so take note that from this given, the last term is unknown. So therefore, we need to solve first for the last term. Since this one is an arithmetic series, so therefore, using the arithmetic sequence formula to solve for the last term, so this is equal to a sub 1 then plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Now observe from this given, the common difference is 7. So we have 8 plus 7, that's 15. And 15 plus 7, that's 22. So the common difference is 7. So to solve now for the last term equals a sub 1. So the first term, so we have 8 then plus n. Since the first 17 terms, so therefore n is equal to 17. Then minus 1 times the common difference. So this one is 7. Then to simplify, so we have a sub n equals 8, then plus. So this 17 minus 1, that's 16. And 16 times 7, so we have 16. So that's 17 minus 1, that's 16. And then times 7, so this is 112. So we have 112. Then we have a sub n equals 8 plus 112. So this is equal to 120. So therefore, the last term is equal to 120. Then this time to find now the sum of the first 17 terms. So the sum of the first 17 terms. So take note that the formula, so the sum of the numbers equals n times a sub 1 plus a sub n over 2. Then substitute now the values. So the sum of the first 17 terms equals n. Since 17 terms, so n is equal to 17, then times a sub 1, so the first term, that's 8, then plus a sub n, so the last term is 120, then over 2. Then to simplify, so we have the sum of the first 17 terms, then equals, so this is equal to 17, then times, so this 8 plus 120, divide by 2. So we have 8 plus 120 equals, then divide by 2. So that's equal to 64. So this is equal to 64. Then to simplify, so we have the sum of the first 17 terms, so equals this 17 times 64. So we have 17 times 64. So that's 1088. So this is equal to 1088. So this is now the sum of the first 17 terms.